So this is our problem for our stoichiometry project, and the first step that we have to do to figure out the problem is to look at the problem. And in ours, you can see we're going from grams to grams of aluminum to grams of aluminum chloride. So we will use the full roadmap to complete this problem.
What does the roadmap look like?
Here's the roadmap. So we'll need to go from grams to moles to moles to grams, and so we'll start from here and end here. And we'll need to fill in the appropriate numbers from each of these.
Where do you get the gram formula mass of aluminum chloride from?
To get the gram formula mass of aluminum chloride, we first have to know the formula for aluminum chloride. And we know that is AlCl3 because it's balanced this way. Next, we have to add up the mass of each atom. So we know aluminum is 26.9 grams and chlorine is 35.5 grams. But we have to multiply chlorine by 3 because there are 3 atoms of chlorine. So once we do that, we have 26.9 plus 106.5, which gives us 133.4. Keeping in mind the roadmap, we'll start to fill in our mole ratios.
What number do we start with?
So we will start with 12.5 grams of aluminum from this times 1 mole of aluminum over 26.9 grams of aluminum, because this is the amount of grams in one atom of aluminum. And then we'll multiply that by 1 mole of AlCl3 over mole of Al, and then times the gram formula mass of AlCl3, which we figured out was 133.4 grams of AlCl3 over 1 mole of AlCl3. So after we get this, we can start to cancel out the similar terms. So we'll cancel out these ones and these ones. 1 mole of aluminum and 1 mole of aluminum, and 1 mole of AlCl3 and 1 mole of AlCl3. So then we are left with 12.5 times 133.4 all over 26.9. And that gives us 61.98888. But we have to follow the significant digits rule, and remember that the most significant digits we had were 12.5. So we have to round 61.98888 to 62 grams of AlCl3. And this is our final answer.